Are you tired of wasting time on repetitive tasks inside your business and inside Zapier as well? Imagine having more hours in your day to focus on what really matters. In this video, I'll show you how to utilize pre-made Zap templates, allowing you to streamline your workflow and boosting your productivity, regardless of whether it's automating the mundane or trying to improve cash flow. Let's dive in. Okay, so we're inside Zapier, and one of the best ways to get up and running to build a Zap, as they're known inside Zapier, is to just go to Explore Apps. And then what I like to do is just search for the one that I want to start with. So I run my life and my business inside Notion. So I was going to put Notion, and then it gives you all these, gives you an example. And what I love about Zapier now is I'm going to connect it to Google Sheet, and it's there anyway, but I'm just going to show you that you can get in the drop down, you do Google Sheet, and it should give you a load of pre-built templates. So it's giving you Notion to Google Sheet. So like I say, a lot of people are using Notion now inside the business, and a lot of people use Google Workspace, so they obviously can use Google Sheet inside that. So then all you do is to do, when a new database item appears, I want to create a new spreadsheet row. It's as simple as that. Create these apps. It then should take you back to your Zapier editor, and away you go. So then it's a case of app, Notion, new database event, and then you can do connect Notion. So it'll then start the process of how do you sort of connect things together. I won't go through that. And then in Google Sheet, I should have an account set up already. Yeah, so it's gone to my personal Google Sheet in there. So it's that simple to get up and running, connecting two apps inside Zapier using their Explore app section. So I'm not going to connect Notion up in this section, but once you've done that, you'll be able to sort of choose your Google Drive, choose your spreadsheet, choose the worksheet, populate the values, and use Notion and use Zapier, as you've probably seen in other tutorials that I've got. So that's the cool way of the exploring apps. One of the new things that they've got inside Zapier is this Discover feature, which I've been finding out about. And what it's got now, it is more of a, what they're offering now is more of solution templates, depending on what you're trying to do, whether you're trying to do lead management, sales pipelines, marketing campaigns, data management, project management. And then it's giving you sort of very similar what I've just been talking about, in terms of, right, so let's say popular lead magnet one, generate rows in Google Sheet from an unbound submission. So you can use all these sort of pre-built ones again. So they're sort of categorizing it inside these sort of areas inside your business. So if you found this video useful, I've another video on how to get up and running using Zapier in less than 5 minutes.